Magpa-bag raid nga kami guys. Ito gagamitin kong bag. Ito yung bag ko eh. Wala sa bag. Nasa bahay nila kasi nandito sila sa amin. Let's go Tom! Let's go! Yes! Ikaw taga-video Tom?
And
Ha?
yes,
Okay, go.
this is Janela's bag.
Let's go. This muna.
This?
The cup.
No, the back is half. That's the back.
And this name tag.
Her name.
Name tag. And the dictionary. Dictionary. And the brush. And color. And the umbrella. The second, wala na nandito. Wala na. Yan ang lahat. Ito naman, dito. Wala dyan. Pangalawa, wait lang. Yan. Pakita ko sa yan, the pencil case. Yung laman ng pencil case. Andito yung iba eh. Meron akong sticker, logo, glue, and pencil, and correction tape, and red ball pen, and the black ball pencils, and scissors, and the protractor. Pag hindi umabot ang part 2 Stop. And the second batch is the pad paper, the book, my god, it's so, let's go. 8 notebooks, papakita natin kung ano subject. AP, GMRC, English, MAPE, EPP, Filipino, Math, Science. Ito na lahat. And wala na. Let's ayusin naman natin. Binibilisan ko kasi yung time. Yan.
Hurry.